How to add a photo in Lensa. Let's look at how to get your photos into the Lensa app. First, open up your Lensa app on your phone. And here on the main screen, you can see an option for add photos. Simply tap on it. So it's asking for the notification. I don't want it to be allowed, so I am tapping on don't allow. Then you will be asked to allow Lensa to access the photos and videos on this device, and this is compulsory in order to add the photos on the Lensa. So you can either tap on allow the limited access or allow all. It's better if you tap on allow all. We'll be providing all the features that is available. Let's tap on allow all, and that will open up a photos. Let's tap on one of the photos, maybe this one, then tap on import. So it successfully happened added to the Lensa. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, then forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.